Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SANP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was going into the day, and then you compare it where it ultimately closed up there, any rational person would say, yeah, the price definitely made some good solid progress and had a good day. But that does lead to the valid question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using a chart, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. So what I'm going to do is just change this to green because that resistance has been broken. And I'm going to do a little adjusting here. And the key level going forward, in my mind at least, is at 0015. And why is 0015 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 0015. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range right here that the price just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Or let's say the price does pull back a little bit, not saying it will, but just for example's sake, and then behaves in this manner here before starting to work its way back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this base of lows down here. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I am defining and quantifying the phrase make progress forward as 0015. What about areas of resistance? At this point in time, the sellers have made themselves pretty well known right up there at 002. You can see not once, but twice the price tried to break up through there and couldn't quite do it. So that'll be public enemy number 1 going into tomorrow. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very, very nice move today. Now it's just a matter of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.